Hey, what's up, guys? It's Friday. uh, just give me a second here. Yeah, it was a good weekend. Sweet show on Monday. I was really glad I was able to hang out with you guys. Just 1 second. Just one second. Weekend is coming up. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I've been really busy today, just doing all kinds of stuff. It's been really crazy. But yeah, I'm looking forward to next week's theme, Aaron, and I'll see you guys Monday.